Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's just becoming fall weather here in Northern California. So tonight I'm going to be preparing sweet potato and lentil soup. Let's get straight to the mise en place. We're going to start off with a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon. Then we're going to move to sliced carrots, then half sliced onion, a couple cloves of minced garlic, some Roma tomatoes, some sweet potato, chopped spinach, red lentils that are already rinsed and drained, some desi mirch, smoked paprika, oregano, cumin, chopped parsley, and good old veggie broth. Have a medium-sized saucepan, which I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. And the pan is going to be getting hot. Then I'm going to add the carrots. Let them cook for a bit. Then I'm going to add the onion, the garlic, I'm going to give it a real quick dusting of salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add the tomato and the bay leaf. Give it a quick stir. Then I'm going to add the sweet potato, the spinach, the lentils, I'm going to give this a quick stir. Now I'm going to add all the spices. And some parsley. Add some salt and pepper, just a real quick dusting. Give it another stir. Now I'm going to add the broth. Almost got an escapee there with a piece of spinach. I'm going to give this a stir. What I'm going to do is bring this up to a boil and then right back down to a simmer, and it's going to simmer for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, here's this wonderful sweet potato and lentil soup. And I'm going to give it a quick garnish with some parsley. And there's the finished product, sweet potato and lentil soup. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. It is definitely fall weather. And if you like this soup recipe, please go to my website. The link is in the comments and the description for more recipes. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.